Well, you are in insolvency, and that does make me frown. When I make love to you, I hope that you don't shut my erection down. You are in PR, you know that much is true. Well, girl, I want to have those public relations with you.
You love some snowboarding, you do it forever and ever. I like that you're a little bit kinky with your feet just tied together. Hey, there she goes, and man, I know I told you. I see snowboarders and they remind me of tiny little green soldiers. If you swallow me like a spider, I'll wriggle and jiggle inside you.
If you swallow me like a spider, I'll wriggle and jiggle inside you, baby.
Baby girl, you wanna go far, so I'll take you to Canada. Well, I can tell that you're pretty eager. I wanna see your Canadian beaver. Just say, let's jump into those 5 Great Lakes. One more thing, yeah, that's the spirit. Do you want a taste of my maple syrup?
Oh yes, it's louder and louder.
Wriggle and jiggle inside you.
My powder.
If you swallow me like a spider,
I'll jiggle inside ya. You're looking at me with those spider eyes. Cause you keep on staring at my flies. I will not hide ya.
strap in for the key change, yeah. The key change, yeah. If you swallow me like a spider, wiggle and jiggle inside ya. If you swallow me like a spider, swallow me, wiggle and jiggle inside ya.
Words like that.
Swallow me like a spider. I'll wriggle and jiggle. I'm really sorry about the sticky web in your face. Inside ya. Thank you, darling. Thank you very much.